Did you know the CRD has an accessible paddlecraft launch at Beaver Lake Regional Park at the Brookleigh Boat Launch? If you're looking to get out on the water, there's just a few easy steps to take before you're off and paddling. Step 1. Place your paddlecraft in the channel. Step 2. The retractable bench can be pulled out for support. Use the bench, railings, and overhead straps to support yourself while you enter your vessel. Step 3. If you use the retractable bench, slide it back into the transfer steps. Step 4. Use the rails to push off and enjoy your paddle. This paddlecraft launch supports a wide range of users and removes barriers to outdoor recreation. Our goal is to allow more people to experience the physical, social, and recreational benefits of paddling. We hope you enjoy using it. For more information, visit crd.ca/parks and click on Accessibility in Regional Parks.